Welcome to 26 Lamington Street, The Range. My name's Todd Brandon, and today I can't wait to show you through. How great are these big windows? They make the outside feel like it's coming inside. It's almost like you're in a treehouse. And what it does is make this big house feel absolutely huge. I really love the downstairs space. It's going to be very practical. As a matter of fact, it could be a self-contained granny flat, a home office, or a second living area. It's a real treat to be able to bring you this rare brick home on the range. If our team can help you own this home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.